Is it time to buy or sell NXT Technology Holding stock? In this video, we will explore NXT Technology Holding in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on the 12th of May, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any vital updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the capabilities of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 28th of April, 2025, our system has ranked NXT Technology Holding as a hold or accumulate, giving it a score of 0. Let's examine the stock's performance during this period. Throughout this time frame, the stock has exceeded our expectations, achieving a remarkable gain of 993.65% since we first suggested purchasing NXT Technology Holding 11 days ago. This results in an average return of 90.33% per day since it was classified as hold or accumulate. A score of 0 indicates that our system predicts significant volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. Given the latest developments, we cannot ascertain the stock's next direction, as it could go in either direction. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of negative 9.68% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 97.28% to negative 9.68%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of negative 65.53%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could range from negative 100% to negative 80.08% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $0 and 65 cents. Our latest daily update for NXT Technology Holding includes the headline, Volatile Ride for NXT Technology Holding Incorporated stock price on Monday, moving between $2.45 and $4.80. The NXT Technology Holding Incorporated stock price gained 38.56% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 12th of May, 2025, rising from $2.36 to $3.27. It has now gained for 4 consecutive days. It will be interesting to see whether it continues to gain or takes a minor break over the next few days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 95.92% from a day low of $2.45 to a day high of $4.80. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 993.65% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day by 67 million shares, with a total of 102 million shares traded for approximately $333,320,000. It is important to consider that falling volume on higher prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning about potential changes over the next few days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $6 and the lowest price was 22 cents. Currently, the price is 45.50% or $2.73 below the 52-week high and 50.90% or $3.39 below the all-time high on the 3rd of April, 2024, when the price reached $6.66. NXT Technology Holding, trading under the symbol NXTT, has experienced remarkable stock performance lately, with shares soaring 661% on Friday and an additional 47% jump on Monday after announcing a significant increase in its Bitcoin holdings. The company reported that it now owns 5,833 Bitcoin, having acquired 5,000 since the end of last year, bringing the total value of its Bitcoin portfolio to approximately $481,700,000. This move not only reflects NXTT's optimistic outlook on Bitcoin as a long-term holding, but also positions it to capitalize on potential appreciation amid rising inflation concerns. The market reaction indicates strong investor confidence, with the stock price climbing to $3.45. reversing its earlier negative trajectory for 2025. This surge is further supported by the overall bullish trend in Bitcoin, currently trading above $104,000, suggesting that investor sentiment surrounding cryptocurrencies is robust. Moreover, NXTT's strategy to continue acquiring Bitcoin while not specifying a target suggests long-term growth potential. In the short term, this momentum could attract more investors, propelling the stock further as excitement around Bitcoin remains high. In the long run, if NXTT successfully solidifies its position in the cryptocurrency sector, it may mitigate risks associated with traditional market volatility and inflation, potentially leading to sustained value appreciation for shareholders. Analysts have assigned NXT Technology Holding stock a general buy rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as buy and the price-to-book ratio as strong buy. Regarding return on investment, analysts have awarded the stock a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for NXT Technology Holding. The NXT Technology Holding Inc. stock shows buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal due to the relationship between these two indicators, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. During any downward corrections, support can be expected at levels of $1.02 and 42.9 cents. A drop below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, April 8, 2025, and since then, the stock has surged by over 1,300%. Further increases are expected until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, a buy signal has also been generated from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. It is important to note that volume decreased during the last trading day despite price gains, leading to a divergence between volume and price that may serve as an early warning. Therefore, close monitoring of the stock is advisable. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal 24 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 130 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 10 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 9 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 9 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 15 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 3 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 62 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for NXT Technology Holding. There is no support from accumulated volume below today's level, and given the right conditions, the stock may perform poorly in the coming days. This stock may experience significant fluctuations throughout the day, and with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is considered to be very high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $2.35 between its high and low, representing a change of 95.92%. Over the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 204.18%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for NXT Technology Holding, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio might indicate that the market has low expectations for the company's future, or suggest that the stock is undervalued, presenting a potential buying opportunity. Additionally, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 19th of May, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for NXT Technology Holding. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which suggests that the stock could rise rapidly under favorable conditions. In this scenario, you may want to consider entering a position and using volume as a guide for your exit strategy. Conversely, there is no significant support from accumulated volume below, indicating that the stock could potentially decline sharply under certain circumstances. It is advisable to proceed with caution and to place trades only if you are an experienced trader who understands how to navigate such situations. Our recommended stop loss is set at $3.19, which reflects a decrease of 2.52%. This stock exhibits very high daily fluctuations, leading to a significantly elevated risk level. The 14-day relative strength index is at 99, which further compounds this risk. Notably, there is a buy signal generated from a pivot bottom identified 23 days ago. Is NXTT Technology Holding stock a good buy? NXTT Technology Holding Inc. presents several positive indicators. However, we still do not deem these sufficient for a buy recommendation. At this current level, it should be viewed as a hold candidate, suggesting that investors maintain or accumulate their positions while awaiting further developments. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 13th of May, we anticipate that NXTT Technology Holding will open higher by 237 $0.10 and begin trading at $3.51. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. It is important not to base your investment decision solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.